Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen of Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I am so excited that you have registered for our Be Prepared conference. You know, I've been thinking a lot about the purpose of this conference and what I really want to help you with. And as I was thinking about it, I realized that a lot of emergencies bring an underlying feeling of fear with them. And really, the antidote for fear is preparation. You know, my husband asks me sometimes, he says, why do you like to learn about the things that might be coming, and doesn't it make you fearful? And I say, no, it doesn't make me fearful at all. It actually makes me feel empowered because I know about them, so now I can prepare. And really, we're going to teach you a lot of things, but the first step in preparation is not about going out and buying a bunch of things, buying a bunch of stuff. It's the mental place that you need to be in to be prepared. And that's where we're really going to start. Because if you are aware of possibilities, you can go through the scenarios of those possibilities in your mind and what you would do so that when you are faced with that thing, you've already prepared. You know, there's a lot of studies that show that people like Olympic athletes, some of the most valuable training they do is the valuable training that they do in their minds. They do a lot of mental preparation. So long before they hit the court or the field or the pool, they've actually rehearsed their performance, and they've rehearsed what they're going to do in their mind, step by step by step. And it's interesting because they found that heart rates go up, respiration rates go up, even though they're not doing anything, they're just envisioning themselves doing it. Well, that preparation ahead of time mentally helps them physically perform better. The same goes for us. If we can mentally prepare for what might be coming, we can physically perform better if, and more likely when, these scenarios happen in our lives. So that's the first step of preparation, is mental preparation. And that is what this conference is really going to stress, is what are the potential things that we should be prepared for? And if so, how do we prepare for them? So I'm so excited you're going to be joining us. I'm going to be sending a few more videos as the week progresses leading up to this event. Make sure that you're there on both days. Friday night from 6 to 9 p.m. is going to be some intro from me, and then a really where are we today in the world with Kenneth Moravec. If you know him, you know that he's a wealth of knowledge coming from a lot of experience. And then Saturday 8 to 1, we're going to have 40-minute bursts of information on 7 different topics from 7 different speakers. And I'm really excited with all that they're going to share because it's going to help you move away from fear and into preparation. So I can't wait to see you then.